3 reasons people fail with Amazon FBA. I am Sanya and welcome to my channel, the best place for Amazon FBA sellers. In this video, I'm going to do a complete breakdown. I am going to talk about specifically what causes so many Amazon sellers, especially beginners, to fail. I am super happy to make this for you as I believe that you guys should be familiarized with failure. I think that being comfortable with failure and getting through failure is so important. So guys, over the last 2 years, I have been coaching people on how to private label a product and launch it on Amazon. And as a bonus, I offer a done for you PPC campaign. So I worked with so many students and I surveyed people also. I found out that some of the major commonalities between the people who have not succeeded. So there are 3 things that I have discovered and I want to share that with you. If you haven't already yet subscribed, please do subscribe so that you can check out all my latest updates on Amazon private label, as I'm constantly pushing out new content and I want you guys to be up to date about all the new changes that Amazon is rolling out on a day-to-day basis. So it's updating every single day. So without further delay guys, let's jump into it. Large numbers of Amazon businesses fails each year, as this is the trend with small businesses in general. This does not discourage you from becoming an Amazon seller or creating a business though. If you are passionate and willing to put in the work and time required to be successful, then nobody can stop you. While yes, it is true that a powerful income can be made using the business model. This Amazon business model is so powerful. But as with any businesses, this is a subject to hard work and sensible decision making. Your ultimate success will be determined by these factors, which I'm going to explain. For this reason, it's not good to have an idea ahead of time about what causes like FBA Amazon business to fail. You might not be able to completely avoid all pitfalls, but with a bit of planning, you can try to, remove these effects from your business. So remember guys, success is not a given. It is like you need to earn it. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is consistency and planning. The number one reason why people fail with Amazon FBA is not putting in the work consistently every single day for finding the right product and end up getting products with low margins and don't know their numbers. So this is the major reason why people fail. The worst thing that you can do is to get into a product and spend all this money and time contacting suppliers, crafting your listing, making everything look beautiful, hiring a product photographer, and then you find out that it is too competitive. Really? In order to have a healthy profit margin, you need to understand your numbers. Yes guys, numbers. You need to make sure you negotiate with your suppliers for best rates. The Chinese suppliers have smartened up, and once they know you are a beginner, they tend to increase their prices. So be strong and try to position yourself as a bigger company, and only send professional emails with a professional email address. Guys, if you want to know more about how to negotiate with Alibaba suppliers the pro way, then you can check out my video here. I will put the link in the description below also. So please do check it out after this video. Many of my students used to outsource the product research from third party. I mean, what the... Guys, do you even think that is a good idea? They will sell you and others the same crappy products again and again, and you end up losing money and time. I do my best to make sure that you guys look at the markets and trends, so see if a product is profitable or not, so that you could go ahead and succeed with the product. Why need to hire someone when you can do it yourself? Guys, you can check my free ebook here where I explain proper ways to do product research step by step that are really beginner things. I have put all my research of 5 years in it, and I simply created this very simple guide. So go ahead and download it. I'm giving that completely for free for my Amazon FBA family here. So go ahead in the description below and download the step-by-step guide to start your Amazon FBA empire right away. So guys, please do that. The link will be in the description below. Guys, I have seen that people don't understand their numbers, so it's really important that you understand everything that's involved, like what is the shipping cost per unit and adding that into your landed cost. And then you will also want to factor in all these fees that are involved. So these are the numbers you need to understand. Like the FBA fulfillment fees, which are going to vary depending on the size and the weight of your product, and there's also the referral fees that Amazon takes, which is usually around like 15% mark. So it's like that. But also guys, you want to include one more important factor, which is the cost of PPC, of promoting your product. Most Amazon sellers don't include this, and oftentimes they are spending a ridiculous amount of money on their PPC advertising. Therefore, they don't know their ROI, that is like return of investment. They don't know. So you should calculate your ROI, like for example, ROI is based on profit margin divided by the cost of goods landed. So this way you can calculate it. So let's say after the referral fees, the FBA fees, your margin is $7. If you invested in that, and your ROI would be $7 divided by 5, which is 140%. If the product margin was $4, we wouldn't continue with that profit. So you get the idea about it. So in my channel also, I talked about how to succeed on Amazon FBA with the right product, so maximum ROI. So I have all the information on this channel. If you want to learn about how to do things, I'll put the links in the description down below and you can check those out. And these are amazing, guys. You can have all the information in this channel. So go ahead and check out everything in my channel. So number 2 is, guys, time and money management. Very important. So this second reason why people fail on Amazon FBA is poor time and money management. Because of this, my student success increased tremendously. Because of this topic, I added in my coaching program. I know I am referencing my live coaching, but I'm not telling you how you can apply for that. There is a link in the description where you can opt for it, and you can always message me and I can contact you. You can comment down below and I will let you know. So a lot of people have really bad time management skills, and it's a kind of shocking, and it's all because of this shiny object syndrome. You heard that, right? We have a lot of distractions with technology, so it's very easy to get distracted, but time management is so valuable when it comes to this business, because when you are first starting this business, it's not a get quick rich scheme. To be successful here, you have to put 100% effort into every little job. You have to be willing to do what others won't do. This will set your product or your business apart from the rest. So this is the key to success in this business or any other business. At the end of the day, you can see and analyze what things you did that moves you towards your goal, that is FBA business. People don't realize that they are doing things that are taking so much of their time. For example, watching TV or social media. It is such a big one, and it's pretty crazy. Some people will spend 2 to 3 hours on social media like YouTube or Instagram, finding the next secret tip or a big thing to start making money online. But this is not going to work, guys. This way you will get distracted and get out of your goal. Schedule up everything in file or your drive. I always provide a timetable for my students so that they can keep track of their tasks and they can be accountable. Guys, this little strategy can help you succeed or fail in your Amazon FBA business for sure. The best way to overcome this is to set yourself a goal and set yourself a time period, whether it is 3 months or 6 months. Just commit to it. The key is to commit to it. Okay guys, so let's come to another point which is very important, and that is the cash flow. Small businesses suffer in this category. They may have made sales on credit, they are servicing debit, they are paying for equipment, or maybe they have got lease payments, everything. If you know in advance that you may be out of cash, then you should prepare for that. You could look for additional bank financing or try to modify the repayment terms on loans or other debits. But to do any of that, you have to be able to predict your cash flow, and that is money management is. So the time management we discussed, so the money management is all about the cash flow, and you have to predict it. Your product might be profitable, but do you have the cash available to order new stock? Can you pay the bills for any tools you use to run your business? A failure to understand and predict cash flow can put your business in the position of not being able to meet obligations on time and draw your operation to a standstill. You can improve cash flow management by preparing cash flow forecast and knowing your cash to cash cycle. You can also look to negotiate payment terms with your supplier. So these are some key things you can implement. So another part of money management which leads to Amazon FBA failure is how much of the profits are you drawing for yourself. More important, how much are you reinvesting in your business? Businesses need investment in order to grow. Whether you are buying in a new product line or spending some extra money on paid advertisement, you need to know your numbers and your cash flow. A new seller mistake has been to draw too much from the business while failing to invest for growth. This is a new seller mistake I have seen. Without that reinvestment, your business may stay exactly where it is, or it may decline. Particularly if your competitors are putting investment into growth, you are going to survive because of these mistakes. And kindly don't repeat that mistake. So you need to follow these time and money management rigorously in your business. So it's very important. So the next thing is the number 3, limit mindset and beliefs. Many Amazon FBA businesses fail because the sellers lack vision and don't have a full understanding of the marketplace. Most of the time, people blame the saturation of the market of their failure. That is not the case, guys. A lot of people are giving up before they even start. I interviewed a guy, and now he is my student. He told me that when he started first on FBA, he didn't believe in himself. He made sales and was doing decent, but he kept thinking like it would fail. He was under the misguidance of low self-esteem, that life doesn't get better regardless of how much work you put in. So he was in a bad situation. It became a self-fulfilling prophecy, and as a result, he stopped trying, and over time his store technically failed. So that was a really bad situation for him. For me, it's not a matter of competition or anything of that sort. It was simply a matter of believing and changing your mindset. He now started a lot better at believing in himself, and it helped him tremendously in his FBA journey. With such a mindset, it's hard not to fail. I mean, if you have a mindset like this, definitely you're gonna fail. Always believe in yourself. Whether you sign up for my live coaching or you watch my YouTube videos, that's the first step to success. Clear your mind with all this crap that Amazon FBA is dead or is worth it or not. Just forget it. Instead of focusing on that, you should focus on your plan and follow a path that you planned for you towards your goal. So stay laser focused on what really matters. There's tons of people, including me and my students, who are making tons of money on Amazon FBA right now, and it's not going to change because Amazon is not going anywhere. It's $1 trillion company, guys. Trillion or maybe more than that. It's not going anywhere. It's you who is going anywhere. Every year, every day, more and more customers started shopping more on Amazon. You know why 90% of the sellers fail? Because they don't put in any effort and expect it to become a millionaire overnight. And that's simply not the case. So stop looking for the next big thing and invest in your mindset, invest in your goals, in yourself, and set a time limit, commit to yourself. But from what I have seen, most Amazon businesses fail because they jump all in without the right guidance and without really knowing what they are doing. And the huge amount of opportunities and misinformation out there, it does not help them also. So it's a very, very critical situation. Invest in yourself and start with a mentor or coaching program that can help you find the correct path towards your goal. So if you don't repeat the same mistake and fail in your business again and again because of your mindset, because of your plan, these are important. Like other small businesses out there, there are large numbers of FBA businesses which fail. Like in an year they fail. You can't necessarily avoid every circumstance which can lead to failure, but you can learn from what others have and why they succeed and why they fail. So you don't do that thing. So this is the thing you have to learn. Make sure you plan well and that your expectations of the businesses are realistic. Like what sort of returns do you need, how much time and money you need to invest, what should be your plan, like what things you need to learn. These are very important things. Look after your business, but look after yourself too. FBA can be very profitable for those who develop a good system which works for them. So this is the key, guys. I always say to my students and to other people who always contact me, I tell them to invest in yourself. That is the number one thing you need to know. You have to change your mindset. You need to understand. You need to put an effort towards it. So this is the main thing of the video, and you need to understand this. Guys, so these are the best advice that can change many lives, and it changed so many lives. You will also come and say thanks to me once you eliminate these from your life. Seriously guys, these are so powerful. So those are the 3 reasons people fail with Amazon FBA. And number 1 is consistency and planning, like putting up a work every single day in order to succeed. You need to plan out all your plans correctly, from product research to succeed launching and all these things. So number 2 is poor time and money management, which can truly help you succeed if you manage these things in your life, and your Amazon business will totally flourish because of this. Number 3 is to have a good belief system, not to develop weak mindset, but a strong mindset that can take you to success and goals in your life. So I hope that the video was helpful for you guys. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my video. Also, do get your free step-by-step guide to rank your products and get hundreds of reviews. There is a link for that down below, so you guys can check that out. Guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My handle is down below, so you can check that and follow me. I share a lot of valuable information there also. If you have any question regarding this, please feel free to comment down below. When I first launch a video, I'm definitely active and more active, and I answer your comments, so feel free to comment. And if you have any other video requests, do let me know. I'll be happy to do that for you. You can also watch my video here. So I see you in the next video.